Assalamu alaikum students, class 7. Today we have to start our new chapter number 18, that is volume and surface area. What is volume and what is surface area? First of all, look at these diagrams. This is cuboid, this is square, this is a simple line and this is a simple dot. Okay. This dot on the paper has only one dimension. Okay, this line indicates only its length, so it has only one dimension. This is a square, it has length and it is as well as breadth, so it has two dimension. This is a cuboid, like length, breadth and height, so this is three dimension. Three-dimensional objects, cubes and spheres are three-dimensional objects because they have depth as well as length and breadth. We are surrounded by 3D objects. These all are examples of three-dimensional objects. 3D solid differs from a two-dimensional figure because it occupies a certain amount of space, which is called its volume. Volume is the amount of space occupied by an object. The area of the surfaces of the 3D solid is known as its surface area. The surface area of a three-dimensional object is the sum of the areas of each of its surfaces. Like, this is a volume. Volume is the amount of space occupied by an object, and to know that about the surface area, let us example. अगर एक गिफ्ट को पैक करना हो, एक गिफ्ट को हमें रैप करना है, तो जितना कवर हमें उसको जितना मतलब पेपर हमें चाहिए होगा उसको कवर करने के लिए वो उसका सरफेस एरिया होगा. लेट्स सपोज दिस इज अ रेक्टेंगल, दिस इज अ रेक्टेंगल, दिस इज अ रेक्टेंगल, दिस इज अ रेक्टेंगल and this is a rectangle. There are 6 rectangles. The sum of all the areas of 6 rectangles is known as its surface area. Volume and surface of a cube. As square, surface as a cube. As a square, the all lengths of a cube are same. So if the length, breadth and height of a rectangular solids are equal, the figure is a cube. जैसा कि हमने कहा था कि अगर length और breadth same होगी तो वो एक स्क्वायर होगा. इसी तरह से अगर लेंथ, ब्रेथ और हाइट ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगुलर सॉलिड्स आर इक्वल, सो दिस फिगर इज नोन एज क्यूब. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ क्यूब इज इक्वल टू लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई बाय ब्रेथ मल्टीप्लाई बाय हाइट, एंड एज इन क्यूब लेंथ इज इक्वल टू ब्रेथ एंड ब्रेथ इज इक्वल टू हाइट, सो एल मल्टीप्लाई बाय एल दैट इज इक्वल टू एल क्यूब. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ क्यूब इज इक्वल टू एल क्यूब. नाउ टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ क्यूब, वी हैव टू फाइंड द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ क्यूब. 2, दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ total surface area, 2 into length multiplied by breadth, because we have read this, there are 6 rectangles, so the formula of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. So there is a height, so length multiplied by breadth plus breadth multiplied by height plus length multiplied by height overall multiplied by 2. But in a cube, length is equals to breadth and breadth is equals to height, so 2 length multiplied by length, breadth का मतलब length multiplied by length and length multiplied by length, so they are equals to 2 into length multiplied by length, L square, 3 times L square, 3 times L square, 6 L square. So total surface area of a cube is equals to 6 L square. Now volume and surface area of a cuboid. The length, breadth and height of a rectangular solid are known as its dimension, and they are all different. When the dimension of a rectangular solid are not equal to one another, the figure is called as cuboid. अगर वो इक्वल हो जाएंगे तो वो क्यूब होगा, लेंथ, ब्रेथ, हाइट, और अगर वो इक्वल नहीं होगा तो वो क्यूबॉइड होगा. So volume of a cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, L, B, H, and total surface of a area of a cube is cuboid is equals to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, where L is equals to length, B is equals to breadth, and H is equals to height. Okay students, now we have to talk about the units of measurement. This unit explains the use of the square units when writing the surface area of a cube and cuboid. We always use square units for the surface area because we have learned that areas are always measured in square units. And for volume, we have to use cubic units like 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So the volume of the cube is 1 centimeter cube. Look at these examples. A cube and a cuboid each has 6 faces and 6 sides. 6 faces जो हमारे सामने हैं and 3 faces जो हमारे सामने हैं and 3 faces जो hidden है. Total has 6 faces and 6 sides. To find the total surface area of the 4 walls of a cuboid, room of length L, breadth B and height H, we just need to find the area of 2 adjacent walls and multiply it by 2. for a cuboid to length plus breadth into height. Standard units of volume. The most convenient unit of volume is the cubic meters, which is a solid region. Centimeter cube, cubic centimeter, which is a solid region formed by a cube of side 1 centimeter. But the SI unit of length is a meter. The solid region formed by a cube of side 1 meter is known as a meter cube, and its volume is 1 meter cube.